Every day, the ocean breathes, rising and falling, like it's alive. But what if I told you, this rhythm, this constant movement of water across the earth, is actually being controlled by something 384,000 kilometers away? That's right, the moon isn't just a pretty light in the night sky. It has a secret power, one that literally pulls our oceans toward it. Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of ocean tides. What causes them? Why do they change daily? And how does something in space influence every beach on Earth? If you have ever wondered why the sea rises and falls like clockwork, or why some days have especially high or low tides, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the moon's hidden force, and by the end of this video, I promise you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. So, what exactly are tides? Tides are the regular rise and fall of ocean water levels, happening about every 12.5 hours. They're caused primarily by the gravitational pull of the moon, and to a lesser extent, the sun. Now here's where it gets cool. Gravity isn't just something that holds you down to Earth. It also pulls on water, and the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating a bulge, or a high tide, on the side of Earth facing the moon. But wait, there's another high tide happening on the opposite side of the planet at the same time. How? That second bulge is caused by inertia, the tendency of objects to keep moving. While the moon pulls the Earth slightly toward it, the water on the far side lags behind, creating another bulge. So in effect, we get to high tides and to low tides every day as the Earth spins through those bulges. Let's simplify it with an example. Imagine swinging a ball on a string around your head. The string pulls the ball toward you, but the ball also wants to fly away. That outward pull, that's inertia. Earth and the moon are like that, locked in a gravitational dance, with water responding to those forces by bulging into directions. As the Earth rotates once every 24 hours, your location passes through these bulges. That's why coastal areas usually have to high tides and to low tides every day. Now, what about the sun? The sun also has gravitational pull, a lot of it. In fact, it's 27 million times more massive than the moon, but it's also much farther away. So its effect on tides is about half as strong as the moon's. When the sun and moon align, during full moon and new moon phases, their gravitational forces combine, causing especially strong tides called spring tides. Despite the name, spring tides have nothing to do with the season. Then, during the first and third quarter moon phases, the sun and moon are at right angles. Their gravitational pulls partially cancel each other out, causing neap tides, which are lower and less extreme. So why do tides matter? Tides affect marine life, coastal ecosystems, fishing, navigation, and even energy production. Certain animals, like crabs and mussels, rely on tides for survival. Surfers, sailors, and scientists track them daily. And engineers are now developing tidal power stations that use this natural force to generate renewable energy. Even the tiniest tidal shifts can reveal fossils, flood wetlands, or reshape entire beaches over time. Now here's a mind-blowing fact. Because of tidal friction, the resistance between the ocean's movement and the Earth's rotation, the moon is very slowly drifting away from us, about 3.8 centimeters per year. That means millions of years from now, the tides will be smaller, and days on Earth will actually be longer. Our planet's rotation is literally slowing down, thanks to the moon pulling on our oceans. So next time you're walking along the shore and notice the waves creeping up the sand, remember, you're witnessing a cosmic connection between the Earth and its closest neighbor. The tides aren't just water going in and out, they're the heartbeat of the ocean, powered by the silent, constant pull of the moon. If you found this fascinating, give the video a like, drop a wave in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science made simple. Thanks for watching and stay curious.